way to get a job in the crypto space is actually through CoinMarketCap. And a lot of us use this CoinMarketCap, but we don't even look at it to see what CoinMarketCap has for us when it has to do with applying for jobs or looking for jobs. Take, for example, you can get a job using CoinMarketCap via exchanges or the website by itself or crypto companies, and you can find them all here without looking at websites, their individual website. All you're looking for can be found here. But in this video, we are going to be focusing on how to get a job or how to apply for jobs, how to see an existing job using crypto exchanges. So when you open your CoinMarketCap, if you have not signed in yet or sign up, please sign up and have an account. And then come to exchanges. Now, in exchanges, you will see that there are centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges, which is something you know. And in the centralized exchange, it is divided into two, which is spot and derivative. Previously, it was just centralized exchange. There was no difference between spot and derivative. Some people may ask, what is spot exchange and what is derivative exchange? In spot exchanges, what you do is that the trading that you do in spot exchanges, it involves kind of directly purchasing and owning your cryptocurrencies. But while in derivative, the trading it involves is it uses contracts based on the value of cryptocurrencies. So and it kind of offer more flexibility and leverage. And the derivative is kind of ideal for long-term investors. So let's click on spot exchanges and you will see lots of exchanges, all the exchanges in the world as much as possible, and you can load more to see where they are and what they are. But all you have to do is just click and I'll click on Binance and it will take us here, and you look for their career page and their website. When you open it, you click on view openings. When you click on the view openings, just hold on a bit and let it load. And voila, this is the jobs in Binance. There are so many jobs open in Binance. Binance always have roles open all the time. I mean, all the time. There are always roles in Binance, and you can go back to the CoinMarketCap and choose another exchange. This time, let's choose OKX. So when you go to OKX, look for find job openings, and you can see job openings. But before you click on job openings, I think that you have to come down and click on careers. Yeah, when you click on careers, that's when you go to job openings and you can see the job openings in OKX. And you can go back to CoinMarketCap and let us click on another exchange. Yeah, Bitflyer. So when you click on Bitflyer, you scroll down and come down and look for their career. Look at it here. Now, see, Bitflyer does not have any current opening. So the essence of this video is basically to show you that you can apply for jobs directly from this place if you want to work for exchanges, or if you want to work for decentralized exchanges or decentralized exchanges, however you want to do it, that can be done all on CoinMarketCap without stress. Yeah, so that is the end of our video. I hope you got value. Yeah, and also if you want to work for CoinMarketCap, you can just click on careers. They're already hiring. Click on careers and see what they have in stock, view all their openings, and apply as much as possible. As of today, Friday, October 2024, these are the jobs opening on CoinMarketCap. I hope this was valuable to you. If it was valuable to you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment, and share it to your friends as much as possible. Till I see you next time, stay blessed and have a truly great life. Bye.